get something from Best Buy here. Get my camera rig from Best Buy. Where do you put this now? Now we're going outside on the highway. Let's go. When is sound? Okay. And it's not that bad though. I thought it was, but it's not. Okay, now there are 2 cars on my back now. Now it's scary. How do you feel riding this bike? I feel like I'm in metaverse. Let's go. Man, it's so windy. You can't swipe the bike like you swap a steering wheel in your car. Look, something is dragging.